Cakes. Why did it have to be cakes? Welcome in. Jock Lindsay is the pilot that helps Indiana Jones escape at the beginning of Raiders of the Lost Ark. He has his own bar. Located at the landing in Disney Springs, Jock Lindsay's Hangar Bar serve among other cocktails this, a Reggie's Revenge. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Reggie's Revenge at home, so pull up a bar stool, relax, and let's get into it. And here's what you're going to need. 1 part Midori, 2 parts orange vodka, 4 parts white cranberry juice, and a half part of lime juice. So let's get this made. Starting with Midori. Now for 1 part I'm using 50 mils. I find that fills the glass just nicely. So 1 part of Midori. Next we need some orange vodka. And here's where I made a mistake. My orange vodka is actually orange coloured as well, so it taints the final colour of the glass. Tastes the same though, but next time I'll be buying clear. We've got 2 orange vodka. Being very careful not to spill. And white cranberry juice, 4 parts. Unfortunately, here in the UK, I cannot find white cranberry juice. So rather than use the red cranberry juice and make this drink really the wrong color and slightly the wrong flavor, I'm going for the pink stuff, which doesn't taint as much and doesn't change the taste as badly as we think. So let's go for these. And number 4. Now we need 1/2 measure of lime juice. Again, for me that's 25 mils. As I spill all over the table. Now I would prefer freshly squeezed lime juice, but I don't have a squeezer and the bottle stuff works just fine. Of course we need some ice. And cue the music. Now, all that's left is the pour. If, like me, and you're a complete Indiana Jones nerd, you've been to the Hangar Bar already, you've got the shirt, but you've also picked up one of these, an official Hangar Bar Reggie's Revenge cocktail glass. You can see the color of mine is nothing like the picture I showed in the beginning, but I believe it tastes the same. Served with a bit more ice. A straw. And 1 slice of orange. There we go. And now on to the tasting. Yeah, so it's quite a sharp flavor. Any sweetness from the Midori has long been knocked out by the orange vodka, the cranberry juice, and especially the lime. I do taste lime in there. So if sweet cocktails are more your thing, this maybe is not for you, but you should still give it a go. You might like it. I certainly do. Is it my favorite? No, it's not my favorite cocktail, but I do make quite a lot of them, mostly because I'm a Hangar Bar nerd and I like to put my mindset back in there as often as I can. So, there you go. Try it yourself. I hope you enjoy it. Cheers. And that was the Reggie's Revenge and the end of the episode. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you have, why not like and subscribe to the channel so that next time I make a Disney cocktail, you'll get the notification and come and join me. And since you've watched it this far to this video, why not type this in the comments section? It lets me know you've made it to the end and I'm doing something right. So, until then, be safe and I'll see you soon. Flakes. Why did it have to be flakes?